Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Arif from class 4. Today I am explaining my science project. So my science project is part of plant. Let me tell you about the important part of the plant are flower, mud, steam, leaf, fruit, flower, leaf, fruit, steam, roots. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Samroj from class 4. Today I am going to explain my science project. So my science project is about matter. Matter is made of particles. It exists the three states: solid, liquid and gas. The different shape of matter are due to the different agreement of picture of matter. First, solid. Solid has definite shape and volume. Second, liquid. Liquid has definite volume but they don't have a different shape. Third, gas. Gas have neither a definite shape nor volume. For example, solid like a chair, liquid like a water in the container, gas like a air in the balloon. I hope you like my science project. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Madhvik from class 4. Today I am going to explain my science project. So my science project is about the digestive system. Digestion is a process in which food breaks down to normal substances. The process of digestion starts from our mouth. We chew our food from our teeth, and the saliva breaking down the carbohydrates and it makes the food softer. These salivary glands called esophagus are known as food pipe. The food travels from mouth to stomach for 3-4 hours. Stomach turns the food into simple substances. The process of the partially digested food is called a chyme. Liver produces the bile juices that help to digest the fat. Small intestine make the juices which is help to digest the carbohydrates, proteins and fat. The juices of liver and pancreas come into small intestine. The works of small intestine absorbs the digested food and it moves to the large intestine. Large intestine absorbs the water and the waste and through the ends. We have made this project with the help of thermocol, chart paper, clay, glue, tape and colors. I hope you like my science project. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shanti from class 4. Today I am going to explain my science project. So my science project work is life cycle of butterfly. After 3-4 days, a tiny eggs become a tiny caterpillar. These caterpillars are always hungry. They eat lot of leaves. After 2 weeks, a tiny caterpillar become a big caterpillar. This stage is called larva stage. The end of 2 weeks, caterpillar finds a place and being a soon. Cocoon, this stage is called pupa stage. In this stage, it undergoes change meetup. After 10 days, beautiful butterflies come out after cocoon fills away. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I am Niveta from class 4th. Today I am going to explain my science project work. My science project work is food pyramid. The food pyramid show how much of what you eat overall should come from each shelf to achieve a healthy balanced diet. Part 2. Fruits and vegetable. One high in nutrition including vitamin, minerals, fiber, protein and other nutrition. They are called bodybuilding food. Grains. Grains provide fiber, nutrition, fiber, protein and other nutrition. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Abdik from class 5. Today I am going to explain my project. So my project is type of pollution. Through this model I am going to explain you. Dumping garbage cause land pollution. Loud noise from factories cause noise pollution. Smoke comes from factories cause air pollution.
Dumping garbage in water is cause water pollution. People also ban their into water is also cause water pollution. People also dump garbage in water is also cause water pollution. I hope you like my presentation and model. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Agarsh from class 5th. Today I am going to explain my project. So my project is about seed germination. When a seed is sown into mud, soil, it begins to grow. This process is called germination. It occurs in the following step. The seed coat splits. A tiny root grows downward and a shoot grows upward. These are producing seedling of a plant which ultimately grows into a new plant. After some time, the plant bears flower. The flower produces fruits and the fruits have seeds in them. All seed can germination when sown in moist soil under suitable condition to produce new plant by natural or man-made process. These seeds are sown into the ground again and what is how new plants are born. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I am Arif from class 5th. I am going to explain my science project. My science project is 5 sense organs. Sense organ, we have 5 sense organs. Sense organ is ear, nose, tongue, eyes, skin. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongues. We had with our ear. We touch with our skin. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Shani from class 5th. Today I am going to explain my science project. So my science project is about space station. A space station is a spacecraft that remains in orbit and hosts humans for extended period of time. It is an artificial satellite featuring habitations facilities. The purpose of maintaining a space station is various depending on the program. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Shivansh from class 6. Today I am going to explain my model. So my science model name is aquatic animal. Aquatic animal are the animals that live in water. For example, fish, seahorse, and starfish are some aquatic animals. Most of the aquatic animals have fins or limbs to help them to swim. Most of them breathe through gills, exclamation like whale breathe through lungs. Some of them have a thick layer of fat called blubber under the skin to keep them warm and help them to float. I hope you like my model. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shanvi from class 6. Today I am going to explain my science project work. My science project name is terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are the animals that live on land. For example, dogs, cats, horses, and lions are some terrestrial animals. They have following adaptation. Terrestrial animals have well-developed nervous system and sense organ which enable them to sense changes in their surroundings. Most of them have 4 legs which helps them to walk, jump and move or to hunt and defend themselves. Exceptions like snakes don't have legs. They possess scales or plates which enable them to crawl. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Adit from class 6. Today I am going to explain my project work. My project work name is Source of Water. Rain is the main source of water. Stream, river, well, pond, lake, and pump are the other sources of water. All the living beings need water. It is the responsibility of everyone to be a part of protecting the water from wastage. In the world, all the living beings need water. So save water, don't waste it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Arpit from 6th class. Today I am going to explain my science project work. So my science project work is type of motion. Rotate motion. Particle rotate on their axis. Circular motion. Motion in a circular path. Lean motion in a starting downhill motion, something or someone down slope. Thanks. You have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Rashi from class 6. Today I am going to explain my science project work. So my science project work name is Kidney Working Model. Our excretory system has a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, and one urinary bladder and ureter. Let me show you how it's work. First of all, the water contained in kidneys get into kidney and it's converted into urine. Through the ureter, the urine get in urinary bladder and it's expelled from our body through the urethra. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I am Shakti from class 7. Today I will present my science experiential learning activity. I have made a model on a photosynthesis. This is my model. First of all, we know green plants make their own food in the process of photosynthesis. Then, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by using carbon dioxide and water bottom and slide, and synthesis means put together water into glucose and byproduct oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll we get glucose plus oxygen. I hope you like my model. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ayan, class 7th. Today I am going to explain my science model which is about wind turbine. Wind turbine is also known as windmill. It is a device for tapping the energy of wind by means of scales mounted on the rotating chip. Now I will tell you how does it work. It works on the principle of pressure of the wind. If the wind is moving fast, it will move fast. If the wind is moving slow, it will move slow. And it converts the energy of wind into the energy of electricity. And we use that energy in our houses, streetlights, etc. Like you can see, windmill is moving and generating electricity. I hope you like my project. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I am Akshit. Today I will present my science model. So my science model is about rock cycle. Rocks come in many different shapes and sizes. Geologists divided rock into 3 basic groups. They are igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. It is the process by which rocks of one kind change into rocks of another kind. Magma is sent to the earth plus it cools and forms igneous rock. Next, this rock breaks down into small pieces of sediments as sediment build up and hardens over the air when a sedimentary rock is formed. Slowly this sedimentary rock goes deep into the earth plus when the heat and pressure get high, a sedimentary rock will metamorph into a metamorphic rock and the cycle will start all over again. I hope you like my model. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I am Akshit. Today I will present my social science model. So my social science model is about earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden violent shaking of the ground. It is caused as a result of movement within the earth plus some volcanic action. Earthquakes are natural disasters. They cause damage to houses, buildings, trees, bridges, roads, etc. Earthquakes are cause large number of casualties. Nearly 95% of people are killed or affected because of collapsing of buildings. The reasons of the earthquake are moving of tectonic plates and man-made disaster. I hope you like my model. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Yamini from class 7. Today I am going to explain you about solar system. Today we learn about planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. They all rotate the Sun. Sun is our star. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system. Earth is the blue planet that has life inside. Mars is the red planet that has volcanoes inside. Jupiter is biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn has rings that is made of millions of dust and icy chunks. Uranus is the icy planet in our solar system. Neptune is the farthest planet in our solar system. I hope you like my model. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ayan from class 7th. Today I am presenting my social science working model, which is about volcano. The molten lava when comes out from the volcano. The volcano is the semi-solid like substance that called a volcano. A volcano is a vent or chimney that connects the earth's crust to the earth's surface. The lava comes after it comes out. The molten rock is stored in magma chamber. The water becomes steam and creating pressure. When the pressure is no longer be contained, it burn. Common volcanic gases includes hydrochloride, hydrosulfide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. Now I will tell you how does it work. I hope you like my model. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Shakshi from class 7. Today I will present my social science expressional learning activity. I have made a model on the layer of the Earth's surface. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers starting from the Earth's surface. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Thermosphere. This is the first layer of the atmosphere. We breathe, exhale here. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog, hailstorm occur in this layer. Stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. Above the troposphere lie the stratosphere, ideal for flying aeroplanes. One important feature of this layer has ozone gas. Mesosphere. This is the third layer of the atmosphere. Meteors burn up in this layer on entering from the space. Thermosphere. This is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. In troposphere, temperature rise very rapidly on entering
on increasing height. Exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is now as exosphere. This layer has very thin air. The gases helium and hydrogen into the space from here. I hope you like my model. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ramni, class 7th. Today I am going to explain new water cycle. So as you can see, this is the water body. For a model, it can be in ocean, lake, river, pond, anywhere. This is the land area. In the forest, there are mountains and a river. This is the sky. There are sun and clouds. So now I am going to explain the water cycle. So due to the heat of the sun, the water evaporates and changes into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. When this water vapor condenses and changes into liquid water, this process is called condensation. Next to condensation, these tiny droplets can come in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. So as you can see, this is the process of precipitation. The rain flows back into the river. The river flows back into the water body again. I hope you like my model. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Rashi from class 6. Today I am going to explain my science project work, SST project work. My project name is Earth rotation. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. The Earth move on its axis is from the west to the east. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to this, we feel if the sun rises from the west, so it will set from the east. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Shimani from class 6. Today I am going to explain my model. My model name is rotation of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth while spinning on its axis. The Earth also spins the sun on its cylindrical part called the orbit. This movement of the Earth around the sun on its orbit called is the rotation of the Earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shanvi from class 6. Today I am going to explain my social science project work. My project name is Faces of Moon. This is Sun, this is Earth, and these all are faces of Moon. Earth's natural satellite has no light of its own but shines when the sunlight is reflected from its surface. When sun and moon are aligned on the same side of the earth, we see new moon as the new moon begins its orbit and we see more and more faces of moon. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Madit, class 6th. Today I am going to explain my project work. My project work name is Solar System. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. All planets revolve our sun. Sun is our star. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet. Earth is a blue planet. Mars is a red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn has a ring and Saturn has rings and icy chunks and dust. Uranus is icy planet. Neptune is the